Hi, my name is Cindy. If you've been here before, so glad you came back. If you are new, welcome to Z9 Designs. Keep watching and be sure to hit that subscribe button to get some easy thrift flips. In addition, please like, save, share, and comment. It really helps my channel grow. So let's create some easy thrift flip ideas. Thrift flip number 1, wall sconces. The supplies needed include 2 thrifted wall sconces, 2 glasses from Dollar Tree, and some tea lights. I visited my family in Illinois, and I picked up all of these things that I'm showing you today in a thrift store in Illinois. The Goodwill has a lot of decor items, and it was difficult to decide what to buy and what to leave in the store. I ended up in the area where wrought iron pieces were abundant. When I examined some of them, the sconces caught my attention, and they were in perfect condition, but they were just made out of iron. I could spray paint them gold, silver, white, or even bronze. And I may do something bronze in the future, but right now they're going to be black. All I had to do was to clean them with a little elbow power. Now, the negative thing about these sconces, they did not come with a glass or a candle. So I had to find something to put on top. And believe it or not, I did not have 2 candles that would work. But some time ago, I purchased some drinking glasses from Dollar Tree, and that was when they were only $1. They had ribbing on the sides, but they were solid glass. And I just thought about envisioning a flickering light as the evening progressed, and that would give a nice moody vibe. So I placed the sconces on the sides of the fireplace mantel. And then I put the tea lights in the glass, and wow, how beautiful. These sconces cost a mere $1.99, and to me, it is a look for less. Now, when you thrift, you don't have to totally remake an object. So just think about that when you go out. Thursday Thrift Flips is a collaboration hosted by Tammy, the Rusted Willow, and Marika Creations. These women can do some amazing thrift flips, and I am just amazed at what they can do. And besides, they are wonderful women, kind and helpful. You just got to go look at their channels. Be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment on their channels. And the link to their channels is listed in the description box below. Now, there are other crafters that are sharing their thrift flips, so be sure to check out their channels also. A link to the playlist is in the description box below. And I want to thank you for watching. So sit back and enjoy. Thrift flip number 3, green marble cheese board. The supplies needed include a green marble cheese board. This was 10 by 7. And rubber feet. I got these from Timo. Now, you don't see green marble in thrift stores very often. So I was really surprised to see this beautiful charcuterie board. And this was a rare find for only $4.95. However, one of the feet was missing on the opposite side of the board. I looked to see its worth, and it is most likely rare and possibly vintage. And when I looked at approximately how much it would sell for, I saw between $49.95 to $184. What a find for just a little bit of money. I ordered feet from Temu, which seemed about the right size, and when they arrived, I removed the old feet and I saved them and used E6000 to glue the new feet on. Now this can be used as a charcuterie board or holds your drink and a glass or maybe even a candle too. So take a look and tell me what you think. Just an investment of a couple dollars for a vintage find. Thrift Flip number 3, hand-forged wrought iron candlestick. The supplies needed include 1 wrought iron candlestick and gold spray paint, antique rub and buff, and your choice of lighting. This wrought iron candlestick is heavy and appears as if it was hand-forged. I decided to paint this candlestick gold and kind of tone it down a little bit with some rub and buff. And I think it looks much better. I paid about $2.98 for it. However, I think it's worth about $20, maybe even more. I couldn't find one just like it as I was perusing the web. It is all about styling with this one. I put a glass bowl, candle, and an oil light on top. So keep your eye open for unique items at your thrift shop, and you may happen upon a gem. So that is all that I have. If you've liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. Thanks for watching each and every week. I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, happiness lies in the joy of achievement and the thrill of created effort. This is by Franklin D. Roosevelt. Now I have an announcement. I have a winner for the Mother's Day necklace that I made some time ago. So the winner is, drum roll, Julie from Sweet Tea Butterflies. Just DM me and I will send out your prize. Congratulations. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.